Growing a food business requires a combination of strategic planning, effective marketing, operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Here are some steps to help you grow your food business. Number point 1. Identify your target market and niche. Number point 2. What sets your food business apart from others? Understanding your unique value proposition will help you stand out in a crowded market. Number point 3. Quality and consistency. Consistently deliver high-quality food and service. Consi. Number point 4. Create a strong brand. Develop a memorable and appealing brand that reflects the personality of your business. This includes a distinctive logo, colors, and a consistent brand message. Number point 5. Online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media accounts. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your food, engage with customers, and run promotions. Number point 6. Customer feedback and adaptation. Call. Thank you all.